this video, I will explain you how to create school diversity survey. First, you need to click add-on, Coffee form, and then not found template. You can search school diversity survey. After you found it, just click load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and settings. After you refresh the page like this, click Coffee form and then get link, and just click continue, choose your account, and then click advance and go to Coffee form. And then click allow here. You will get the link like this. Just copy it and paste it into your search engine. The form is ready to use now, but you can change the question as you want. Go to question type, and then for example I want to insert a new row. I use text here and copy, and for example I want to change the questions into name, and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can also change the text into date, and don't forget to change the question text too, for example. And now it will change date, and audience can easily pick the date from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like this. Also, you can change the background color of your form in the settings. Just pick the color as you want, and it will change easily. You can also give a style for your title. For example, here I use mark behavior. Just follow the step here, or follow the code here. For example, I use scroll amount 25. And don't forget to close the code like /mark like this. Just see the title and it will move. Thank you.